Hi everyone, so welcome to week 6 and your assignment this week. So just much like every other week on the off week or the even number week, we do an assignment that is going to have you go out and investigate your own work of art and have you talk about it. So you're going to be doing the same again this week. What you're going to be looking at as far as artwork goes is the theme of the artwork has to be 2D media. So you're going to go out and find a painting, a drawing, a print. And if you don't necessarily know or you don't have the information on hand about what the 2D media is, that's okay. I would encourage you to go and look for the artist and the medium. So I would encourage you to go out and say, for example, you looked at a Winslow Homer, who's the artist, and the medium was painting, specifically watercolor. I encourage you to find that information out only because it kind of adds to your judgment. From there, what you're going to do is you are going to start talking about this work of art through a critical lens. We've already kind of done that a few times throughout the course of this semester, but even more so driving the point home that when we look at art, we're going to be looking at it through a critical lens and kind of looking at the perspective of the artist. So what I want you to do is I want you to first and foremost explain the work of art, who's the artist, what's the medium. If you have a time period, that would also be helpful, but if you don't, that's fine. And then talk about it through the lens of the elements of art. What do you see going on? What lines do you see? What shapes do you see? What colors do you see? Textures, etc., etc. After you do that, I want you to talk about, analyze it. What do you think is going on in this picture or work of art? What kind of meanings can you convey? Or what do you think the artist was trying to convey? If you don't have any idea of what the artist was trying to convey, come up with your own opinion about it, of what you think is going on. And then lastly, judge it. Do you like this work of art? Why or why not? I would go out on a limb to assume that the works of art that you're choosing you will like, but I challenge you to find works of art that you don't particularly like, and again, look through it through a critical lens. Explain to me why you don't like it. I very much look forward to your responses, and I'll see you soon.